When reading a long report or book, we can use bookmarks to mark our reading progress for quick location next time. Take this file as an example. Click Tools, click View, and click Add Bookmark. Then a bookmark is added to the current page. We can add multiple bookmarks. Click All Bookmarks, and we can check our progress through the bookmarks. We can also change the name of the bookmarks according to reading habits. We can delete the bookmark when reading progress changes or when we have finished reading. When we reopen the document, we can click the bookmark to locate the page we read last time. It's more convenient to add bookmarks on PC, and you're welcome to experience this feature there.